Okay, here we are. Here we are at the car show. We're starting our car show soon. We have all the cars ready to go. Getting them all lined up here. Dylan's getting them all in order. Get all the cars in order, Dylan. Let's line them up. We're having a car show today, a car race. Line them all up. Hurry up. Get them all lined up. Here comes Thomas. Thomas is in the race too. Okay, leave that there. Thomas is in the race. Let's get Thomas going. Here's Thomas. Come on, Thomas, get going. Whoa, I don't think Thomas is going to move. He's too slow. Thomas ain't going to move today, is he, Dylan? No. Thomas ain't going to go anywhere, is he? Okay, let's get them all lined up. Here we go. Let's see how fast this one will go. Oh, he's going backwards again. Oh! Whoa, look at, did you see him go, Dylan? Whoa, let's line him up. Who's going to go first? Here we go. Getting the car show going. Whee! Oh, Dylan, you're blocking the view. People can't see. Don't block the view. People have to see the car show. Don't block the view, Dylan. Let the people see the car show. Okay. Gotta see the car show. Here we go. All right. Yeah, he wants to sit next to Mary. See. Okay. Say hi. We're doing the car show. We got all the cars. Vroom. Vroom. There they go. Whoa, little ones, big ones. Whee! 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 Yeah, all kinds of cars. Cars going here. Mary's. Mm-hmm. Yeah, see, he wants to sit with me. Okay. Say hi, Mommy. And Grandma, Grandpa, and Daddy, we're having a car show. Yay, there's the choo-choo. Look, we have Curious George. Whoa, there goes Curious George. And here's Thomas. Thomas the Tank Engine. Okay. Lane 4, car down. Lane 4, car down. Lane 4 needs a tire change. And lane 4, mail truck needs to be towed in. Tow it in. All right, bring it in. Okay, Dylan, call him up. Call him up, Dylan. Tell him to come and get the mail truck. Say, go get the mail truck. The mail truck has to be towed in. Okay? Yeah, it's got a flat tire. Got to change the tire. Got to put some oil and this guy needs a tire change. Okay. Change the tire. Fix the tires. Okay, fix the tire. Okay, line them up. All set to go. Whee! Yay! He made it. Hooray! There's the ambulance going to see if everybody's okay. Everybody's running smoothly on the track. Okay. Even the train. How's that? Is that good? What an exciting show. All the cars are all over the place. And the drivers are all taking a break. Yeah. Yep. Who won the race? The one way up there, the guy in the front, he won the race. And the mail trucks came in second and third. Yeah. And Curious George and all these guys came in last. Curious George, you didn't make it all the way up there. There he goes. Hooray. And here comes the boom. You hear that? Boom. Boom. Yeah. Yeah. Say they all made it. Yay. Say they all made it. Whoop. There's the ambulance. Okay. Okay. Cool your engines down. Cool your engines down. Call the control tower, Dad, Dylan. Tell them to cool their engines down. This is my buddy. He's a control manager here, aren't you? Yeah, he controls everything, don't you? Yeah. He's a controller. Yeah. Is that fun? Is that fun? Did we have fun doing that? Yeah, fun. See? Here you go. Say, here you go. Can you say, here you go? Here you go. You're such a good boy. Hi. Okay, I guess the car show's over now. Say bye. Say bye. Is the car show over now, Dylan? Yeah, say the car show's over. Good job. Good job. Look into the camera. Good job. Okay. Bye-bye.